Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan ranch. First, let's create our creamy base. You will need 1 cup of raw cashews. Soak these cashews in hot water for at least 30 minutes. This helps them soften beautifully. After soaking, make sure to drain and rinse them thoroughly before moving on to the next step. This preparation ensures a super smooth and rich texture for your ranch. Now, let's infuse our ranch with its signature flavors. You will want to add 2 tablespoons of fresh dill and 1 tablespoon of fresh chives. For that savory depth, include 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. Finally, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar is crucial for providing that classic tangy kick. These ingredients are key to a delicious vegan ranch. It is time to bring all these wonderful ingredients together. Transfer everything into a high-speed blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy with no cashew pieces remaining. If the ranch is too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened plant milk, like almond milk, until you reach your desired consistency. Always taste and adjust seasonings for perfect flavor. Once your vegan ranch is perfectly blended, it is ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in your refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days, making it perfect for meal prep. Serve this delightful ranch chilled with your favorite salads, as a dip for fresh vegetable sticks, or drizzled over roasted potatoes. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.